Hi, I'm Dr. Harish. I'm a consultant general pediatrician and a consultant pediatric cardiologist practicing at Jaws Center, Bangalore. Umbilical cord stump generally falls off within about 5 days to 9 days of after birth. Sometimes if it doesn't fall between 10 to 14 days of age, then it needs to be concern. It needs to be of concern, and you need to follow up with your pediatrician. So the ways how you take care of your the umbilical cord stump are the usual personal hygiene steps. So one is before and after handling the baby, make sure that you clean your hand either with soap or using sanitizer, and keep the umbilical cord stump as much as dry as possible. So leave it open to the air, and not much of handling needs to be done. So only if there is any soiling of the umbilical cord stump, only then it needs to be washed, or otherwise it need not be washed as such. And the particular important will be like when you are using diaper, so make sure that the diaper doesn't come across into the umbilical stump, so that diaper can be folded down away from the cord. And while giving bathing, so till the time the umbilical cord stump is there, so you can just give a sponge bath or wet cloth bath, so that the umbilical cord stump remains dry. So all these simple steps will help in keeping the umbilical cord dry and not make any chances of getting infection into the stump. And generally it is best avoided not to pull off the clamp, and not to pull off the stump, so it has to fall off on its own. Signs of infection in the umbilical cord stump so will be generally when there is redness around the umbilicus area, or if there is pain and tenderness across the umbilicus area, if there is any pus oozing from the umbilicus. So all these are danger signs, and if any of these are noted, so it is better to consult your pediatrician and get it treated appropriately.